Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava from Maa Kalyanika School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. Today I welcome you all in class 8 physics class, and today I will discuss the first chapter, matter part 3. In this part I will discuss the kinetic theory of matter and change of state. So, the state of matter can be changed. You all know the state of matter can be changed. As I told you in the previous video when I was discussed about the latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization. So, state of matter can be changed. It is a physical change. It is a physical change, and these are the reversible reaction. These are reversible reaction. That means solid turns into liquid and again liquid turns into solid. The water turns into water vapor and water vapor again turns into the water. So these are the reversible reaction. So now without wasting the time, start the first thing, vaporization. Now, as you all know, what is vaporization? It is a conversion of liquid into water vapor. That means conversion of liquid into gas. The liquid is going to convert into the gas, and we are just discussing related with the kinetic theory. So here absorption or heat will be there. By absorbing the heat, the liquid is going to convert it into the vapor, and that term is known as the vaporization. Next thing, the boiling. Now what is boiling? It is the rapid change of state, very rapid change of state from liquid to vapor at a particular temperature. It is rapid change of state from liquid to vapor at a particular temperature. That means at a particular temperature, the change of state, that is from liquid, is converted into the vapor. This point is known as the boiling. Now what happens generally when we are going to provide heat something to it, the molecules are going to start moving, and that's why the change of state is going to be occur, and sometimes they are going to attack at also the change of state is going to be there. Now the point at particular temperature when boiling takes place, that temperature is known as the boiling point. That means, what is boiling point? The temperature at which, what is going here? The liquid is converted into the gas. That means the temperature at which liquid change into gas. At the temperature when the liquid changes into the vapor, that temperature is known as the boiling point. Now the next topic is the condensation. Now what is condensation? In condensation process, the gas is going to convert it into the liquid state. The gas is directly going to convert it into the gaseous state by giving heat. By giving the heat. That means what happened? It loses the kinetic energy. That means the kinetic energy from the particles, they are going to lose and form the liquid state. So that is the condensation. When the kinetic energy is going to be loses, they are just going to form the drops of water. Now next is here melting. No, it is also very easy. What is melting? The solid state changes into the liquid stage. Now solid is changing into the liquid state, but here absorption of heat occur. Here absorption of heat occur, and the solid, it turns into the liquid. So what is melting point? The temperature at which solid state changes into the liquid state, that particular temperature is known as the melting point. Temperature at which solid changes, solid completely changes into liquid. That temperature, that temperature is known as the melting point. So for the different substances, the melting point should be different. So let's see the another topic, and the name of that topic is solidification. This is also known as freezing. Solidification and freezing. That means the liquid turns into the solid. The liquid turns into the solid and it releases the energy. It releases energy, it releases heat. So, just example, when molten wax is there at the room temperature, slowly it is going to form in the solid. So that is one example of the solidification. And what is the freezing point? I told you this is also known as the freezing. So again, the temperature at which the liquid is changes into the solid, that temperature is known as the freezing point. Temperature at which liquid changes into solid state. So this is the freezing point, and I told you about the example of wax. So the freezing point of wax is 54 degree centigrade. This is the freezing point of wax. That means at this point the wax is going to be completely solidified. Now the next and important topic, sublimation. Sublimation is a change of state from solid to directly into the gaseous state without going through the liquid state. That means in this step, in this topic, there is no liquid state. The solid is directly going to form the liquid. Solid is directly going to form into the gaseous state without change into the liquid state. That means here no liquid stage will be there without passing That means when solid is directly converted to the gaseous state and there is no liquid state will be formed, that is known as the sublimation. And there is number of examples of sublimation, sublime substances. That means the substance which going into the sublimation. One which you are using at home, that is camphor. Commonly you known as the kapoor, which is utilizing at the time of the puja. When you are going to provide burn the kapoor, camphor, it is directly release the vapor. Another is the dry ice. This dry ice, it is also commonly known as the solid carbon dioxide. And another topic related to this sublimation is the deposition. This deposition process, it is just opposite of the sublimation. Here gaseous state is directly converted into the solid state without going through the liquid state. Gas is directly converted into the solid state. Okay, that is sublimation is just opposite process to the each other. Here no, in both the things there is no liquid state, they are directly converted. They are just forming directly solid to the gas. So this is all about the kinetic theory of matter and how state of change will be there. And this chapter is completed here, and in next video I will start the second chapter of physics. Till then, bye bye, thank you, watch the video and study at your home. Bye bye.